Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, we did see it converge once more, and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the daily chart, we are about to approach to positive MACD. And as we continue to move up higher, our temporary resistance will be where we have made the highs back in January 12th, and that is around a price of $2.89. If we do manage to head up higher, the next resistance will be where we have encountered resistance in the past, as indicated with November 27th at around a price of $2.96. If we were to test that level, that price movement to the upside is roughly around, say, 4.5%. And to test support, that'll be where you have the 9-day moving average, this blue line, currently at the price of $2.61. And that price movement to the downside is roughly around 8.1%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG. And for my position size, that is less than 1% of my portfolio. And my long entry is at $8.72, and that is this range there. My sell target for it is at $9.79, and my stop loss is at $8.36. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.10, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $9.10, and my stop loss is at $10.44. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 45% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 7.4%, a 9% chance to climb between 7.4 to 15%, and to the downside, a 45% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.